Support Catkofi by donating through the link in the description and get 30 adorable cat wallpapers. Happy watching!
Bro, I'm trying to watch the movie. What do you need? What is this goblin stance going on here? Thank you!
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici!
Yes, excuse me, this is $1 for premium cookies. You don't look like premium cookies. I want to speak to your manager now.
Aku ni buka apa, tapi
Are you okay? Why you look so grumpy, huh? It's okay.
When they pulled the dead body from the playground, that's when they knew that Sarah, the 7-year-old, was a serial killer.
Are you serious?
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that?
Ще один охотник. Что ты нашел? О, она его укусила!
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth, just perfect all around.
Real sick of y'all. Who gonna fight? Who gonna run up? Hey! Ah!
Is she crazy?
Primeira, segunda, terceira, quarta, quinta e ré. Aí tem acelerador, freio e embreagem. Toma.
Freddie, chill out, bud. Oh my God, you're just hauling ass.
No es un chico malo, solo quiere ser él mismo.
Knock knock. I'm here to collect the rent money. It's been 3 days. You're late. See, the thing is, when I'm tired and you running around on my head and stuff, it's okay. But when you're sleepy and I'm messing with you, it's a problem. It's cool when you do it. It's a problem when I do it.
Huh?